Farmers in West Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills and Eastern West Khasi Hills yesterday faced a huge loss as the rice which was ready for harvest was damaged by hailstorm that hit the areas. The worst affected villages in West Jaintia Hills include Mustem, Muplang, Musakia, Samanong and nearby villages. Walam Shilla, a farmer and the headman of Muplang, expressed his deep concern for the families in his village who have suffered complete loss of their crops. In the eastern West Khasi Hills, according to gathered information, the damage to paddy has been especially heavy in the Mairang region, where many villages such as Rikhen, Thangmao and the Marot area. In the West Khasi Hills district, reports indicate that there was rain and hailstorm activity, although not as intense. Only in few villages such as Nongspung, Lang Umshing and Umshinrut, the hail and rain were more severe.